When it comes to living room, there are essential things that you can check. Number one, if you offer any sort of streaming service, we log into Netflix for our guests. We want to make sure they're logged into the right Netflix. So I will turn this TV on, I will make sure Netflix loads, and I'll make sure it's our account. That not only lets us know that we are in our Netflix account, but also that the Wi-Fi is working. So that's always good to check too. We always make sure that the remote is there, there's batteries in it, our welcome book, and not just looking at the welcome book, but our checklist has us go into the welcome book, make sure the pages aren't covered in grease or any sort of food or anything like that. We also offer our guests a kit full of light bulbs, batteries, and the specific light bulbs and batteries they would need for this rental: an extra lint roller, staples, scissors, another vacuum. There's an Allen wrench I know can tighten up the specific chairs in here. So this little kit that not only helps our guests help themselves, but as an inspector, if I need to tighten the chair, I've got the tool that I need to do that right here. So it's all about just setting yourself up for success.